Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install the Borderlands 2 mod manager. Firstly, click on the link in the description and scroll down and download the file python sdk.zip. Once downloaded, you should have a folder ready. Open Steam, right-click on Borderlands 2 and select Manage, then browse Local Files. Drag and drop your downloaded file into the Borderlands 2 directory. Now open the game and you should see a Mods tab in the game where you can enable and disable mods. For instructions on installing custom modes, check out some videos. And that's it. You can just activate or enable the mode from the Mods tab in the game. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next video.